Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The code P0455 pertains to an issue with the evaporative emission EVAP system, specifically indicating a large leak. The Honda Accord, models from 2012 to 2017, employs an advanced diagnostic system that uses the engine-off natural vacuum (EONV) method to detect any leaks in the fuel system. The fuel tank pressure (FTP) sensor plays a crucial role in this process by monitoring fuel tank pressure while the vehicle's engine is off. When the system identifies a pressure variation greater than predetermined values, it triggers a diagnostic trouble code. The components involved include not only the FTP sensor, but also the EVAP canister and the canister purge valve. This system is vital for preventing fuel vapor emissions, thus ensuring compliance with environmental standards. An effective diagnosis of the P0455 code ensures proper vehicle performance and adherence to emission regulations. In conclusion, DTC P0455 serves as a pivotal alert regarding potential leaks in the EVAP system. By understanding the role of key components, such as the FTP sensor, canister purge valve, and vent shut valve, we can better address the issues that may arise from a large leak. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps will greatly improve the chances of accurate diagnosis and repair. Moreover, adopting a routine maintenance schedule will assist in preventing future issues, ensuring optimal vehicle performance and compliance with regulatory standards. Awareness of the symptoms and causes surrounding this error code allows for timely intervention and preservation of the vehicle's emission system. DTC P0455 is directly associated with the EVAP system, which consists of several key components: the EVAP canister, the EVAP canister vent shut valve, the EVAP canister purge valve, and the FTP sensor. The EVAP canister stores fuel vapors that escape from the fuel tank. The vent shut valve regulates airflow into and out of the canister, ensuring the vapors are only purged when conditions are ideal. The FTP sensor is situated at the fuel tank and monitors any changes in fuel vapor pressure. When these components function together seamlessly, they effectively capture and recirculate fuel vapors, thus minimizing fuel emissions. If a large leak is detected, the entire system may fail to operate correctly, triggering the P0455 code, indicating a malfunction which needs urgent attention. The potential causes of DTC P0455 primarily focus on leaks within the EVAP system. One major cause can be a leak in the EVAP system itself, particularly at the junctions connecting the EVAP canister purge valve to the fuel tank. Another possibility is a malfunctioning canister vent valve that may remain open or be stuck, allowing vapors to escape unintentionally. In some scenarios, a defective FTP sensor or issues with the canister itself could also result in an incorrect reading of the fuel vapor pressure, leading the system to wrongly determine that a leak exists. Such leaks not only affect vehicle performance, but may also result in increased emissions that can lead to significant regulatory issues. Drivers may notice several symptoms associated with DTC P0455. The most immediate indication is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, which indicates a detected fault in the EVAP system. Additionally, there might be poorer fuel efficiency, as fuel vapors are not being properly managed, leading to increased consumption. Another critical symptom is the potential failure of the vehicle during emissions testing due to the presence of a leak in the system. If left unaddressed, these issues can result in more significant vehicle performance problems and higher repair costs down the road. The first troubleshooting step requires confirming specific operating conditions. Ensure that the vehicle has been stationary for an adequate amount of time, allowing the initial parameters like engine coolant and intake air temperatures to stabilize within specified ranges. It is essential to start the engine while adhering to these conditions to proceed with a test drive. A check on ambient temperature is necessary to be between 36 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. By meeting these criteria, the system ensures it is operating optimally for accurate detection of leaks, setting the stage for further diagnostics. Next, the vehicle should be driven at a speed between 25 to 75 miles per hour for a minimum of 23 minutes. This step allows the onboard diagnostic system to monitor various vehicle parameters in real time and check for any abnormal pressure readings in the fuel system. The duration is crucial to ensure that the diagnostic process has sufficient time to identify potential leaks during operation. Make sure to record the data during this drive for further analysis, noting any anomalies that may arise, as they will be important for later steps. After the drive, the next step is to stop the vehicle and turn the ignition switch to the off position. It's recommended to allow the vehicle to stay in this idle mode for no less than 37 minutes. This wait enables the EONV method to execute properly, activating the EVAP tests within the onboard diagnostics. During this period, the FTP sensor will check for any changes in fuel tank pressure. It's crucial that this phase is conducted without interruption to ensure accurate diagnostic results. After completing repairs on the EVAP system, it's vital to verify that the repairs were successful. Begin by rechecking for any DTC codes to ensure that P0455 has been cleared from the system. Next, confirm the normal operation of the EVAP components by conducting a functional test. Finally, perform a test drive under the prescribed conditions to ascertain that the EVAP system is functioning correctly. This verification step ensures not only that the fault has been resolved, but also that the vehicle is safe for emissions compliance. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0455, it's important to conduct regular preventive maintenance on the EVAP system. Make it a habit to routinely check all connections and hoses for signs of wear or damage. Inspecting the fuel lines and the canister components can clarify any issues that may lead to leaks. Regular maintenance schedules should include checks for the FTP sensor to ensure it is functioning accurately. By being proactive in these assessments, the longevity of the EVAP system can be significantly improved, resulting in a better overall driving experience and compliance with emission standards. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.